All right, guys, another technical series video here, the Shibaura SD2243, just to help you guys out, hopefully. So I wanted to show you what the basically the fan belt is. Okay, so here it is. It's a Gates XL7350. There's another part number on it. Maybe you can cross-reference it with that. So just wanted to show you guys that. It's tapered right there. It's got little teeth on it. So I'm going to show you the water pump in a second, but the bolt size and thread and the studs that are coming out, which I'll show you in a second, the size is M8 by 125. And the nuts you'll need for the studs are also M8 by 125. So let me show you the water pump I just installed. All right, guys, so there's the water pump I just put on. I was going to use Honda Bond, which is a it's called a semi-drying liquid gasket maker. Basically, behind this water pump, in one of my other videos, I showed you where the O-ring goes and what size it is and everything. There is nothing back there. It's like an empty space back here, but you also don't want water or any other stuff getting in there, mud, dirt, whatever, because it'll hold moisture and it can create rust. So what I did was I cleaned that empty space out back there and wiped it down with some oil. And then I used some RTV, some red RTV. It's all I had. I had like 3 or 4 different kinds of liquid gasket maker, but some of them are so old they just solidified. So that's what I used. I put the O-ring in there with just some waterproof grease to hold it in place and slip the water pump on. The water pump has a stud right here, and yeah, I messed that stud up just a little bit right there, but it still worked. And the other stud, if I can get a shot of, it's right down there with that shiny nut on it. I've already put the radiator or the alternator bracket on and the fan, so it's kind of hard to see in there. But that's the new water pump, guys. I did notice a difference in this one. See this, I guess it's the pulley. This cylinder part right here sticks out further than my old one, so it is going to be a little closer to the radiator. This one does not stick out as far, and I'm assuming this is the original water pump given the condition it's in. That other one is probably, I don't know, a ½ inch taller, maybe 3/4 of an inch taller. Other than that, everything's the same. But anyway, so just again, I wanted to put out technical information. M8 by 1.25 thread sizes on all these in the water pump. And again, the fan belt here, mine is a Gates 7350. And Shibaura SD2243. So I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all stay tuned as I'm getting this thing going. I'm going to put out as many videos as I can to help some people out. These are awesome tractors, and I'd like to keep them going. For some reason in my brain, I like old junk that's almost not repairable, but it's real cheap. And I've been doing this my whole life, and for some reason I just can't get away from it. So call it what it is. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Y'all stay tuned. Got a lot more to come.